Breaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see.
What it do, Mama's Bomb crew, and welcome back to another video. If you're not already a part of the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, make sure to leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for future uploads. Also, you guys, go ahead and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified when I post new videos, because you don't want to miss them. In today's video, today is Wednesday, Wet and Wild Wednesday, y'all. Wet and Wild Wednesday. So we're going to get some laundry done. We're going to hit the bathroom. We're going to clean, y'all. We are going to clean the wet spots in my house today. So let's get right into it. Right now, I'm throwing a load into the washing machine. And look at what I come across, you guys. Look at what I come across. Now my washing machine and my dryer are in the garage, so I don't expect them to be clean. But look at this. Look at this. How disgusting. So let's go ahead and get this all cleaned up. That is disgusting. I didn't even realize until I came out here with the flash on my phone. Gosh. So after cleaning my washer and dryer, I just looked around and I was in disgust. So I decided I'm just going to clean my little washer and dryer area real quick. In previous houses, I had a laundry room, but for some reason, it looks like there's like a step. So it looks like there should have been a wall there for a laundry room, but unfortunately, I share my laundry room with the garage. So I have like tires in there. I have like go-karts. So I'm just trying to straighten up at least my little area so it can be like nice and neat, and I'm just gonna straighten it out.
I'm running away from this pain. I'm trying to find a new way where the sun's shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship. Time to be free. Shining down on my face. I'm running away. You're in a toxic relationship.
This I'm gonna throw in the wash. I also have my laundry detergent, a laundry basket, and I have my little change teddy bear bucket. Let's move right on into this bathroom because we got a lot of cleaning to do in here.